Hello everyone. So today, Tuesday, I am going to go for a little bit of a walk around town, try to get some more presents, maybe get some more tea because we're running out of tea, and tea is the most important thing to have in the house. Yeah, got a few ideas of what to get, but not a lot, so I'm gonna find inspiration. So I finally did a shop. I mean, I did a shop yesterday, but I just got like a few things, a lot less than what I thought I did get. So I went back today and I got quite a few things now. I think I'm done with my sister and one of my friends. I still need to get a few things from my mom. But it's getting there. At least now I can start the wrapping, I think. I just need to say though, I'm so in love with our tree. I think it's just so pretty. We've also put some sweets in there. So that's my sister's star, some sweets, some chocolates. I just love it so much. Also, I've done this then. We've added another branch. So that's how it looks now. We've got that holly there. This is a mess behind. I need to tidy up, but I really like that holly. We've got that in here. And in our bedroom we've got that branch, which I really like as well. Okay, so there's my potato salad. I just love that dish. It's just so good. I love it. Okay, so I actually remember I've got a box full of paintings and cards that I've already made. So I'm gonna check if there is any that I can use for Christmas. Okay, so I did find a few. Got like one of those with the snowflakes, a few like plants type of thing, holly there, just some random plants. Got, this is my favourite one, the chocolate cup or whatever it is. I think it's really cute. Got that one, Merry Christmas, and then those trees are cute. Then just like happy Christmas cards, Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas. So yeah, don't think I need to make any. At least that's something that I don't have to do, which is good. I might want to make some more. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, how much we can do with this. Hi. Okay, so I was on the phone with my mum for like half an hour, 45 minutes. So time just like flew by. But in the meantime I was also like tidying up my makeup, my makeup drawer, so it's almost done now. Got one drawer left, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Cam is on his way back, and yeah, it was pretty relaxed day, I guess. Nothing much happened except maybe just like Christmas presents type of thing. I didn't wrap them, I just put them all under the tree. But that's fine with me. I mean, I'm happy with having a relaxing day. But yeah, hopefully I'll get more done tomorrow. Hope you guys liked that video. I know it hasn't been really eventful, but that's Vlogmas, and yeah, don't forget to like the video if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos coming up. Bye!